Hello students, welcome to class 12 of accountancy. Today we will do the same chapter number 1, accounting for partnership firm fundamentals. And today our topic will be calculation of interest on drawing by average period method. Today we will do these 6 situations in this module. Students, in my previous video we had already done 3 situations. First was, what if a partner is withdrawing fixed amount at beginning of every month, and then at end of every month and in middle of every month. These 3 situations we had already done. Now we will do these 6 situations. First will be, if a partner withdraws fixed amount in the beginning of every quarter. Second, if a partner withdraws fixed amount at the end of every quarter. Third, if a partner withdraws fixed amount in the middle of every quarter. Fourth, if a partner withdraws fixed amount during 6 months. It means the period of time should be of 6 months. We are having accounting period of 1 year. Now we will have accounting period of only 6 months. Then if the date of withdrawal is not given, if the date is not given of withdrawal when the drawing has been made. When the rate of interest is given without the word per annum, when the rate of interest is given but per annum is not given. So today we will do these 6 situations. 3 situations we had already done. We will start with next. Situation 4th. 3 situations we had already done, students. Like, what will happen if a partner is withdrawing amount in the beginning of every month, then at end of every month and middle of every month. Now we will do situation 4, if fixed amount is withdrawn in the beginning of every quarter. What will happen if fixed amount is withdrawn in the beginning of every quarter during the year? Interest is charged on the whole amount for a period of 7.5 months. What will be the average period of time? 7.5 months. How we will calculate it? We will calculate it accordingly. Formula is there. Average period is equal to month left after first drawing plus month left after last drawing divided by 2. First of all, we should know that there are 4 quarters in a year. एक साल में 4 quarters होते हैं. Each quarter is of 3 months. हर एक quarter 3 months का होता है. Now, if our accounting period is starting from 1st April and ending at 31st March, how will we distribute the quarters? First quarter will be from 1st April till 30th June. Second quarter will be 1st July till 30th September, then 1st October till 31st December, then 1st January till 31st March. Like this, there will be 4 quarters. Now, what will happen if withdrawn in the beginning of each quarter? Drawing is made in the beginning of each quarter. Then beginning of each quarter means on the first date of each quarter. Our quarter starts from here. First quarter starts from here. First drawing will be made on 1st April, second 1st July, third 1st October and fourth will be on 1st January. Now, how many months will be remaining from 1st April till 31st March, because our accounting period will end at 31st March. From 1st April till 31st March, 12 months will be there. So, we will write month left after first drawing, 12 months. Plus month left after last drawing. When will be the last drawing? It will be on 1st of January. So, how many months will be left? January, February and March. 3 months. Okay, students. So, plus 3. So, 12 plus 3 divided by 2 will be 7.5 months. So, average period of time will be 7.5 months. Interest on drawing formula, we had already talked about it. Total drawing into rate of interest divided by 100 into 7.5 by 12, which means average period divided by 12. Okay, students, and what will be the total drawing? If the drawing is made of 2000 per quarter, 2000 rupees per quarter. So there are 4 quarters. In 4 quarters, a partner will withdraw 8000 rupees. So total drawing will be 8000 rupees. Okay. Let us see the next situation. If fixed amount is withdrawn in the middle of each quarter, it means we are withdrawing in the middle of each quarter on 15th. In middle. Now, what will the middle of each quarter? First quarter middle will be from after April. What is coming? May. Okay. So, middle will be 15th of May. The first drawing will be made on 15th May, and last drawing after 1st January. February is there. Last drawing will be on 15th February. Okay students, it is middle of the quarter, first quarter and last quarter. So first quarter middle is 15th May, last quarter middle is 15th Feb. Now after 15th May till 31st March, how many months will be there? Remaining months will be there. May is half over. Okay, so we will count only half of the May. Then from June we will calculate June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March. How many months? 10 months and half of the May. So 10 and a half, 10.5 months. Month remaining after first drawing. And what will be the month remaining after last drawing? Last drawing is on 15th Feb. From 15th Feb till 31st March. Feb is half. Okay, then Feb will be over. Afterwards Feb, March will be there. So half of the Feb and full March, 1.5. It means 1.5. So 10.5 plus 1.5 divided by 2 is equal to 6 months. What will be the average period of time? 6 months. Okay students, let us see the next. A fixed amount is withdrawn at the end of each quarter. During the year, interest is charged on the whole amount for the period of 4.5 months. So a fixed amount is withdrawn at the end of each quarter. What will happen at the end of each quarter means here we are withdrawing. On first drawing will be on 30th June. Second will be on 30th September, third will be on 31st December and fourth will be on 31st March. So our first drawing will be on 30th June and last drawing will be on 31st March. So from 30th June till 31st March, because June is over, we will not calculate June. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 9 months will be there. Plus after last drawing, year ends will be there, 0 month remaining will be there. So 9 plus 0 is equal to 9, divide by 2, 4.5 months will be the average period of time. We will put it on the formula. Okay students, like this we will calculate. Let us solve one question so that we can understand this concept more clearly. When there is regular drawing at quarterly interval, calculate interest on drawing on Siddhant at the rate 10% per annum. So what is the rate? 10% per annum. Okay. For the year ended 31st March 2020 in each of the following alternate cases. So 3 cases are there. If we withdraw 60,000 in the beginning of each quarter, at the end of each quarter, and the same amount in the 90,000 in the middle of each quarter. Okay students, so let us solve the question. First of all, we will calculate total drawing. In this, if you can see, drawing amount is 60,000. In one quarter he is withdrawing 60,000. So in 4 quarters, how much he will withdraw? 60 into 4, 2,64,000. Then what will be the average period of time if he is withdrawing the beginning? First drawing will be made on 1st April, last drawing will be made on 1st January. From 1st April till 31st March there will be 12 months. From 1st January till 31st March there will be 3 months. Divide by 2, 7.5 months. So total drawing is 2,40,000. Average period is 7.5 divided by 12 into percentage is 10 divided by 100. What will be the drawing amount? 15,000. Same will go with second case, 60,000 at the end of each quarter, 60,000 into 4 because 4 quarters are there, 2,40,000 will be the total amount. Percentage will be same 10%. Average period of time will be changed. How we will calculate average period of time? If he is withdrawing at the end of each quarter, first drawing will be on 30th June, last drawing will be on 31st March. After 30th June, there will be how many months remaining? 9 months. Plus after last drawing, how many months will be remaining? 0. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. Divide by 2, 4.5 months. See, 4.5 divided by 12. What will be the interest on drawing? 9,000 rupees. Third case, 90,000 drawing is there for each quarter in the middle of each quarter. 90,000 drawing is there in the middle of each quarter. 90,000 into 4 because 4 quarters are there. 3,60,000 will be the total drawing. Percentage will be same 10%. How will you calculate average period of time? First drawing will be made on 15th of May. After 15th May, how many months will be remaining? 10.5. It means 10.5 plus last drawing will be made on 15th of February. After 15th of February, how many months will be remaining? 1.5 10.5 plus 1.5 is equal to 12. It will be divided by 2. Average period of time will be 6 months. Okay, so 6 by 12. What will be the interest on drawing calculation? It will be 18,000. So students, like this we will calculate interest on drawing on quarterly basis. Let us revise what will be the average period of time. In first case, because he is withdrawing in the beginning of each quarter, the average period of time will be 7.5 months. If he is withdrawing at the end of each quarter, the average period of time will be 4.5 months. If he is withdrawing in the middle of each quarter, the average period of time will be 6 months. Now, if fixed amount is withdrawn during 6 months, so the period of time is 6 months. How will calculate interest on drawing? It means these 2 quarters are not there. Starting 2 quarters are not there. Only how many months are there? From October till 31st March. Okay students, so we will write months here. How many months will be there? 6 months. October, November, December, January, February and March. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months are there. Okay students, so the duration is of 6 months instead of 12 months. Okay, now if the first drawing is made in the beginning of every month, okay, so beginning of every month means first drawing is made on 1st of October, last drawing is made on 1st of March. From 1st October till 31st March, because 31st March is the ending financial period. So from 1st October will be count October, November, December, January, February and March. How many months are there? 6 months. Okay, and after last drawing, when is the last drawing? Last drawing is on 1st of March. After last drawing, how many months will be remaining? Only 1. So 6 plus 1 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2, 3.5 months. See, 3.5. If it is done in the beginning of each month, what happens? Instead of 12 months, we are taking only 6 months. It may happen students, if a business is started from 1st October only, okay, so you will not calculate interest on drawing for whole year. You will calculate it from only 1st of October. That's why the months will be only 6. Okay students, so if he is doing drawing in the beginning of each month, amount is same, interval is also same. So average period of time will be 3.5 months. And what will be the total drawing? If he is withdrawing 2,000 rupees every month, in 6 months his drawing will be 12,000. So total drawing will be 12,000. Okay students. So and if he is withdrawing in the middle of each month means when he is withdrawing, first drawing is done on 15th of October and last drawing is done on 15th of March. After 15th October, how many months will be remaining? 5.5, because half October is over. So only half October will be counted and then these 5 months will be counted. So 5.5 plus after last drawing, how many months will be remaining? Because already it is 15th of March, so only half month will be there. So 0.5. So 5.5 plus 0.5, 6. Divide by 2, average period of time will be 3 months. Okay students. Now if the drawing is done at the end of each month, then first drawing will be done on 30 October and last drawing will be done on 31st March. Okay students. Now after first drawing, October is over, how many months are remaining? 5. After last drawing, 31st March, already year is ended, how many months are remaining? 0. 5 plus 0 divided by 2, 2.5 months. See, the average period of time is 2.5. So students, like this we will calculate if the fixed amount is withdrawn during 6 months. Let us revise. If we are withdrawing every quarterly wise, so how we will calculate? If we are withdrawing amount in the beginning of each quarter, average period of time will be 7.5 months. If you are withdrawing in the middle of each quarter, the average period of time will be 6 months. If you are withdrawing at the end of each quarter, so the average period of time will be 4.5 months. And what will happen if the period is of 6 months only? If you are withdrawing in the beginning of each month, average period of time will be 3.5. If you are withdrawing in the middle of each month, the period of time will be 3. At the end of each month, the period of time, average period of time will be 2.5. Okay students, so like this we will calculate interest on drawing on different situations. Let us see more. This is one question. This question we have to calculate. Okay, so in the beginning, if it was in beginning, the average period of time will be 3.5. In the middle, the average period of time will be 3, and at the end, the average period of time will be 2.5. Okay students, this we had already done, so this will apply here in this question. ABC started a firm on 1st October 2019, sharing profits equally. A drew regularly 4,000 in the beginning of every month for the 6 months ended 31st March 2020. So A is withdrawing 4,000 rupees each month in the beginning of each month. So for 6 months he will withdraw 4 into 6, 24,000 will be withdrawn by him. Okay students, now next what is saying, B withdraws regularly 4,000 at the end of each month, and B is withdrawing same amount 4,000 but at the end of each month. Okay, so again 4 into 6, total drawing will be same 24,000, but average period of time will be changed because he is withdrawing in the beginning and he is withdrawing in the at the end. Then C drew regularly 4,000 in the middle. Now C is doing, C is withdrawing 4,000 rupees, okay, in the middle. He is withdrawing in the middle of each month. The 4,000 into 6, the amount will be same 24,000, but average period of time will be changed. See, the total drawing they are saying 24,000. Calculate interest on drawing at that 5% per annum. Okay, so interest is of 5%. Our period is ending at 31st March. It is the ending period. Okay, so let us solve it. Case first will be of A, case second will be of B, and case third will be of C. Okay, here we are having what will be the average period of time for each case and what is the amount. Okay, amount is same. Okay students, so for A the amount is of 24,000. Percentage it is already given 5%, and if he is withdrawing in the beginning, what will be the average period of time? 3.5, 3.5. So 3.5 divided by 12. Okay students, so total amount will be 350. Next, for in the case of B, he is withdrawing 4,000 for 6 months. Total amount is 24,000. At the end of each month he is withdrawing. Average period of time will be 2.5. So 24,000 into 5 by 100 into 2.5 by 12. Amount will be 250. Let us talk about C. C is withdrawing 4,000 for 6 months. Total drawing will be 24,000. He is withdrawing in the middle. Average period of time will be 3 months. So 24,000 into 5 by 100 into 3 by 12. Amount will be 300. Okay students. So whether the duration is of 6 months or 12 months, we will divide it with 12 only, and we will find out the average period of time with the formula. Formula will be average period is equal to month left after first drawing plus month left after last drawing divided by 2. Percentage will be given in your question, 5% or 10%, whatever the percentage is there, you will calculate interest accordingly. Okay students. Now next situation, if the date of withdrawal is not given, interest on total drawing for the year is calculated for 6 months of the average basis. For example, if the date is not given, whether the drawing is done on starting at the middle or at the end, so by default we will take it for 6 months. So if date is not given in your question when drawing is done, then we will calculate it on the basis of 6 months. Okay students. Important note, if the date of drawing is not given and accounting period is less than 6 months, then the interest on total drawing is calculated for half of the accounting period. Okay students, so if the date is also not given and accounting period is of less than 6 months, so we will calculate interest on drawing on the basis of half accounting period, that 6 months. Then next situation, when the rate of interest is given without the word per annum, interest is charged without considering the time factor. So if interest rate is given but per annum is not written or at the rate is not there, okay students, then we will not calculate average period of time. What we'll do, we will give the interest for whole year. So we will not calculate it according to month, or we will not calculate average period of time. Okay students, so these were some situations which we had done in this. Now your interest on drawing is completed. You will be able to solve all the questions related to interest on drawing. Thank you.